Namaskaram. Hi, I am Dr. Vivekanand Rayapeddi. I am the creator of a unique module called Paperless Fluency for Success. I am pretty sure you might have heard the word fluency in English, but I am adding one more word to it, paperless. You may be getting surprised. Sir, what is this paperless fluency? So, recently one guy asked, sir, paperless fluency means some speakers, when they give speeches on the podium, they put a few papers, they time and again look into it and then they speak up. So, without the aid of those papers, speaking English naturally, is that what you mean to say, paperless fluency? Then I said, you are partially correct, but that is not fully correct. Then he was inquisitive, sir, what is this paperless fluency? Well, let me explain that to you also today. So, are you interested? So, before that, let me ask you one question straight. Do you want to speak English naturally, effectively, effortlessly, spontaneously, as if English is your mother tongue? So, that is the dream of most of the people. So, well, let me tell you one thing, very simple thing let me tell you today. English is easy, English is fun. And added to that, let me clarify one myth. Most of the people, they think that English is great language. Oh my God, if we are good at English, we are going to master, we are going to conquer the world. So, to a great extent, that is wrongly articulated idea. So, in fact, this is not a right thought. English is not great. I repeat, English is not great. However, English is important. English is not great, but English is important. So, why am I stressing on this? Because most of the people, they feel that English is great, my mother tongue is waste. So, my culture, my heritage and my roots, they are not so worthy. English is really great. So, this is one feeling most of the people are driven by. In fact, today I am going to make it very clear, English is not great, but English is important. Then what is great? Which language is the greatest language in the world? It is absolutely your mother tongue. Your mother tongue is great, your heritage is great, your culture is great, your roots are great. So, feel proud to be an Indian, feel proud to have Telugu as your mother tongue or any language for that matter. You need to be proud of your mother tongue, because across the globe, the experts have concluded that if a child is given a language, if a child is given education in his mother tongue, he is going to acquire the things faster. So, it is a proven fact. But unfortunately, in India, for the reasons best known to you, still we are following the English medium education system. If you go and have a look at the advanced countries like Russia, Germany, Japan, China, France or any advanced country you take, they give their entire education system in their mother tongue only. English is given as a subject, but never English is taught as a medium of instruction. So, this is one thing where right from the beginning a mistake is happening in our country. So, that is the reason, this is one of the reasons why we are not able to speak English fluently, and I am going to discuss in depth. In today's episode, you are going to understand few important aspects. So, why we are not able to speak English fluently? This is primarily one of the reasons. So, we are thinking that English is great and we are underestimating our own strength. We are thinking we are not so great, our culture is not so great. In this way we are thinking and we are giving so much of importance to English. So, in our series of episodes, I am going to give you complete information how we can speak English fluently, how we can speak English naturally, how we can speak English spontaneously as if English is your mother tongue. Let us learn English, let us speak English fluently, let us speak English naturally, but at no point of time let us not underestimate ourselves. We are great. Yes, my dear friend, you are great, you are capable, you can reach to any new heights and you can speak English also fluently. Are you interested to speak English fluently? Then today let me tell you the 3 secrets which are stopping you from speaking English fluently. So, what are these 3 secrets? The first secret is LSRW. So, what is this? I will explain, don't worry. LSRW is the first secret which is stopping you from speaking English fluently. And the second secret is mother tongue influence. And the third secret is mind magic. And the most important secret is fourth secret is classroom versus workshop. So, these are 4 factors, 4 secrets which have been stopping you from speaking English fluently. Once you understand these secrets, for sure you are going to speak English fluently, effectively, spontaneously, naturally, as if English is your mother tongue. So, let me briefly tell each of these reasons in this particular episode, and we will devote exclusive time for these secrets in the coming episodes. So, first secret, as I told you, is what? LSRW. So, let us consider a kid, an infant rather, who is just born today, an infant who has born just today. Now, that infant, can she speak? No, she cannot speak. That infant, can she write? No, she cannot write, she cannot read, but she can listen. She can listen, yes, right from the day 1, the infant can listen. So, the secret is, LSRW secret is all about it. Listening is happening first, LSRW. In this, L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. Now, this is a secret I am going to unravel. How come this LSRW is stopping you from speaking English fluently? In our exclusive episode about LSRW, you will come to know about it. And the second secret is translation. Because of translation methodology, you are not able to speak English fluently. So, to speak English fluently, stop translating. You have to speak naturally. So, what is this translation? How to avoid this translation trap? We will come to know in the next episode. Then third secret is mind magic. Mind magic is a powerful magic, my dear friends. You are underestimating your own potential and you do not know your inner capacity and your real power you are not able to understand. So, that is really mind magic. And last but not the least, the most important reason is classroom versus workshop. All these years, right from your childhood, you have been learning English in the classroom. For that matter, not only English, any subject, right from your childhood to PG or even higher also, you are learning everything in the classroom atmosphere. However, speaking English is a skill. Speaking English in a natural way is a skill, like any other skill. What are the other skills? Riding a bicycle is a skill, driving a car is a skill, swimming is a skill, and playing cricket or dancing, like this, like any other skills, speaking English is also a skill. Skill can never be acquired in a classroom. If at all one has to acquire the skill, if at all one has to master the skill, he has to take part in the activities in a workshop atmosphere. So, but this workshop atmosphere has never taken place in our entire education system, but it is not a coincidence. There has been a great amount of effort by the people who wanted you not to speak. So, it is not a coincidence and there is no mistake on your part, and there has been a conspiracy behind you that certain people wanted you not to speak English. That is the reason the entire education system has been designed in this way. So, whereas you have got English language or any other subject in a classroom only, whereas the solution is a workshop. Sir, what are all these things? They sound really interesting. We want to know more about it. Definitely, I am here. I am going to let you know. So, keep waiting, keep watching. In the next episode, we are going to understand each of these secrets, my dear friends. Thank you.